Looking for a machine that can launch your next profitable business? Meet the RTJ-1390M CNC laser engraver, a powerful, precision-driven 150W or 300W CO₂ laser cutter that engraves and cuts metal, wood, leather, acrylic, and more. With a spacious 130 by 90 cm work area, industrial-grade Ruida controller, and optional rotary and up-down table, this machine is ideal for sign makers, fashion designers, crafters, and industrial fabricators. Start earning $3,000 to $15,000 per month by offering services like custom signage, nameplates, leather crafts, and personalized products. It's smart, durable, and engineered for non-stop business. Don't miss this opportunity to build a high-income engraving business from your own workshop. Click the link in the description to get yours today.